my water cycle project. I make this project and I get first prize. The first step is evaporation. Heat from the sun causes water in ocean, lakes, river, etc. evaporate in the form of gas and rises up in the sky. This process is called evaporation. The second process is condensation. These water vapor that connected in the sky in the form of cloud and cool down and become small vapor droplets. This process is called condensation. The third process is precipitation. After some time, the water droplets in the sky become heavy and fall on the earth in the form of rain. This process is called precipitation. Our fourth process and the last is collection. The water collected in the oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, and etc. can be used for different purposes. Thanks for watching my video. This is my project. How is looking this? Please do like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Bye bye and thanks for watching. Hello friends, in this video we know how to make water cycle project like this. For making water cycle project like this, we use thermocol, glitter, sparkle pen, watercolor and etc. First, we cut two circles of thermocol. This is not a thermocol, this is a paper. This is an example of this water cycle, okay. So we use a paper. First we cut thermocol into circle, okay. A circle cut. After cutting a circle, we cut half thermocol in semicircle shape, okay. We cut this for making this and this, okay. For making this and this, we paste here, and making this and this, we paste this and this here, okay. For making this sun, this is evaporation. First is evaporation. For making this sun, water and trees, we cut a paste, okay. We cut a paste and make sun on this. After making sun, we cut and paste here like this. We take some small trees and paste here. We do for this color this walls and background. We used blue and green watercolor. We use blue watercolor for doing this and this. We use green for doing this, okay. After doing with watercolor, we use glitter spray and for decorate. We use blue glitter for doing this and we use green for this, okay. For making water, we use a bottle. We use a cold drink bottle and cut this bottle like this is a bottle and cut this bottle like this. Here I make this with the help of water. This is the make with the water bottle, okay. After making this is evaporation. Our first step is completed and the second step for making cloud, this is a condensation. Second step is for making this, we use cotton. We use 3 small cottons and paste here like this for making cloud, and we use for making this a paper roll like this. After rolling this, we paste here, okay. Our second step is Our second step is completed and the third step is this. After doing second step, we do third step. In third step, we make cloud like this. We use for making cloud paper, okay? We make a cloud in paper, and after making a cloud in paper, we color with watercolor, and we make these types of yellow mark, okay? After making this, we make some small drops for raining. After doing this, we use glitter, okay? With the help of glitter, we paint this and this. Our third step is completed. Third step is precipitation, and fourth and the last step is collection. It is the most important steps. In this step, we use blue watercolor and green watercolor, okay? With the help of green watercolor, we paint this, and with the help of blue watercolor, we paint this and this. After doing this, we use glitter for decorate this. We make some fishes in paper. After making some fishes in paper, we cut and paste here like this. For making this water cycle, okay, we cut a big paper like this, okay, and make a cloud. After making cloud, we cut in the shape of cloud. We use glitter for writing water cycle. We use a teddy. We make a flower with glitter here like this. We use a straw for rolling this, and we use a cardboard for making this. For making this, we use cello tape or a paper. After making this, our project is completed. How is my project? If you like my project, please like, comment, share or subscribe my video. Bye bye.